Hi, I'm Dennis Crosby. I'm the director of BLET, which is Basic Law Enforcement Training. It's an academy here at Gaston College. If you're interested in being a law enforcement officer, police officer, or deputy sheriff in North Carolina, this is where your career starts. We're in a state accredited academy through the North Carolina Criminal Justice Standards Division. BLET is 648 hours of intense training. It's divided into 36 topics of instruction. You must master all 36 of these topics to be a police officer in North Carolina. Once you complete BLET, you're eligible to take the state certification examination. Once you get certified, then you can be a police officer or deputy sheriff anywhere in North Carolina. But this is where your career starts. Now, we offer two different programs. We have a day class. Our day class typically runs Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But there will be a number of days we'll do practical skills such as driving and firearms up to 10 or 11 o'clock at night. For people who work during the day, we offer a night class. Our night class typically runs Monday through Thursday from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. But there will be at least 2 weekends of firearms and 2 weekends of driving. So if you're interested in a rewarding career in law enforcement, this is where your career starts. So if you're interested, please contact us at the following